Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to be talking about a couple different backpacking chairs that you can take with you camping. But instead of me doing the review, I'm going to actually have my old man look at these chairs, test them out, and tell you what he thinks. With that being said, let's keep moving. Okay, so if you've been watching my channel, you probably see me using the REI Flexlite Air Chair on pretty much every one of my backpacking trips. I love this chair because it's extremely light, only weighing about 1 pound. It packs down very small, and it's very durable. So for this particular backpacking trip, I needed 2 extra chairs, and I didn't want to spend $100 on a Flexlite Air Chair. So I looked into an option such as the YIZI Go by Trekology. Now I got a 2-pack for about $80. Now these chairs are extremely durable, but they come in a little bit over 2 pounds. So what I wanted to do in this video is to have someone check out these chairs and compare it against the Flexlite Air Chair and give me their first opinion. With that being said, let's go into it. Let's keep moving. All right, so I picked up a couple chairs for this trip. In fact, I've had the one on the left, which is the REI Flexlite Air Chair, but I bought the Trekology YIZI Go Chair for my father, and it weighs about 2 pounds and so forth. Now that you've used this chair over the past 24 hours, what are your feelings on the Trekology YIZI Go Chair?
Well, I haven't sit in these chairs before, so it seems to be fine.
Is it stable?
Yeah, if you don't put it in a soft area.
Right, so basically you need to get the mat that goes down below here to make it more stable for areas where
sinking into the ground,
sinking in the sand or loose dirt. Now what I want you to do is I want you to stand up and then tell me what you think about the weight when you pick it up and hold it in your hand. So what do you think about the weight of the chair?
Without a comparison to anything, I mean, it seems very light.
Okay, it seems very light. So that was the first experience. You haven't tried this chair here.
No,
but you tried this one overnight and you like this one. It's light, it's sturdy, right?
Right.
Okay, go ahead and get in the REI Flexlite Air Chair and make sure you're careful with the landing here, and tell me what you think about this chair.
Yeah, I like this one better.
You like the Trekology YIZI Go?
Not even close.
Not even close. Why don't you like the chair that you're in?
It doesn't feel as stable.
It doesn't feel as stable.
I feel like I'm going to fall over.
You feel like you're going to fall over. Okay, so now that you've almost fallen, I'm going to help you get you out. I want you to pick that chair up just like you picked this one up and tell me what you think about the weight.
Oh, much lighter.
Much lighter, right? So if you were hiking a long distance, which chair would you take?
I'd still take that one.
You'd still take the YIZI Go Trekology chair.
Well, if I want stability and comfort and all the rest of that.
All right, so there you go. There is in the field tested products, the REI Flexlite Air Chair versus the Trekology YIZI Go. It looks like for the money and overall quality and support, you've heard it firsthand, unbiased review, the Trekology YIZI Go. This is the chair to take. Let's keep moving. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.